Welcome back, YouTube fam. In today's video from cryptowichard, we're diving deep into the world of cryptocurrency and taking a closer look at one of the most promising projects in the market, STX coin. Get ready for an exciting hour of valuable insights, analysis, and everything you need to know about STX. But before we dive in, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to get updates every time we upload a new video. So, grab a cup of coffee and let's get started. STX is an open-source blockchain platform that extends the functionality of the Bitcoin network by enabling the creation of smart contracts and decentralized applications (dApps). It essentially acts as a bridge between the Bitcoin blockchain and the world of smart contracts, expanding the capabilities of Bitcoin and opening up exciting opportunities for developers and users. Traditionally, Bitcoin has been primarily used as a digital currency, allowing users to securely store and transfer value. However, it lacked the ability to execute complex programmable logic and automate agreements, which is where smart contracts come into play. Smart contracts are self-executing contracts with predefined rules and conditions, allowing for trustless and automated transactions. With STX, developers can leverage the security and robustness of the Bitcoin network while building smart contracts and dApps on top of it. This means that STX inherits the security and immutability of Bitcoin, providing a solid foundation for decentralized applications. It brings the best of both worlds together, combining the simplicity and trust of Bitcoin with the programmability and versatility of smart contracts. By enabling smart contracts on the Bitcoin network, STX unlocks a wide range of use cases and applications. It allows developers to build decentralized finance, DeFi, applications, tokenization platforms, decentralized exchanges, and much more. With STX, the potential for innovation and creativity in the crypto space expands significantly. One of the key components of STX is the Clarity smart contract language. Clarity is a secure, predictable, and decidable language designed specifically for writing smart contracts. It focuses on safety and ease of use, allowing developers to write reliable and auditable contracts with greater confidence. STX introduces a unique consensus algorithm called Proof of Transfer, POX. POX aligns the incentives of the STX network with the security of the Bitcoin blockchain. It allows STX token holders to lock their tokens as collateral and participate in Bitcoin mining through a process called stacking. By participating in stacking, STX holders earn Bitcoin rewards while also securing the STX network. This integration of STX and Bitcoin creates a mutually beneficial relationship. It enhances the security and decentralization of the STX network while providing additional incentives for STX holders. The ability to earn Bitcoin rewards through stacking adds an extra layer of utility to the STX token. STX is an open-source blockchain platform that brings smart contract functionality to the Bitcoin network. By extending the capabilities of Bitcoin, it enables developers to build innovative decentralized applications and execute programmable logic securely. With the Clarity smart contract language and the unique proof of transfer consensus algorithm, STX creates a powerful ecosystem that combines the strengths of Bitcoin and smart contracts. The possibilities for development and growth in this space are immense, and STX coin plays a crucial role as the native cryptocurrency fueling the STX network. Now that we have a solid understanding of the basics, we'll delve deeper into the tokenomics, use cases, and the future prospects of STX coin in the upcoming segments. So, stay tuned for more exciting insights into the world of STX coin and STX. STX coin overview. STX coin and explore its role within the STX network. STX is the native cryptocurrency of the STX ecosystem, serving as the fuel for transactions and smart contract execution. It plays a vital role in incentivizing miners and stakers, ensuring the security, integrity, and decentralization of the network. The role of STX in transactions. Similar to other cryptocurrencies, STX is used as a medium of exchange within the STX ecosystem. Users can send and receive STX as a form of payment for goods and services, making it a valuable digital asset. The transactions are recorded on the STX blockchain, providing transparency and immutability. STX is used to pay for executing smart contracts on the STX network. When developers deploy smart contracts or users interact with dApps, they typically need to pay a fee, known as a gas fee, to cover the computational resources required for the execution. STX acts as the currency to pay for these gas fees, ensuring that the network remains functional and economically sustainable. The role of STX in the consensus mechanism of the STAX network. As mentioned earlier, STAX utilizes a unique consensus algorithm called proof of transfer, POX. In this consensus mechanism, STX token holders can lock their tokens as collateral and participate in the consensus process by supporting Bitcoin miners. By stacking their STX tokens, participants essentially commit to holding a certain amount of STX as collateral. This collateral is then used to secure the network and create a bridge between the STAX blockchain and the Bitcoin blockchain. In return for their participation, stackers receive Bitcoin rewards for contributing to the security and decentralization of the STAX network. This incentive mechanism aligns the interests of STX holders with the overall security and integrity of the network. It encourages token holders to actively participate in the consensus process, thereby ensuring the network's stability and protection against potential attacks. STX holders also have the opportunity to delegate their tokens to trusted third-party entities, known as stacking providers. By delegating their STX, holders can still earn rewards while entrusting the responsibility of securing the network to experienced entities. STX coin plays a crucial role within the STAX network. It acts as a medium of exchange for transactions, facilitates smart contract execution by covering gas fees, and incentivizes participants through stacking and earning Bitcoin rewards. By combining these functionalities, STX coin contributes to the security, decentralization, and overall functionality of the STAX ecosystem. As we continue our exploration of STX coin, we'll dive deeper into its tokenomics, potential value proposition, and the exciting use cases it enables. So, stay tuned for more valuable insights into the world of STX coin and the STAX network. STX coin tokenomics. The tokenomics of STX coin are indeed fascinating and unique in the world of cryptocurrencies. STAX introduces a novel consensus algorithm called proof of transfer, POX, which sets it apart from traditional proof of work, POW, and proof of stake, POS, mechanisms. In POW-based cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, miners compete to solve complex mathematical puzzles to validate transactions and add new blocks to the blockchain. This process requires substantial computational power and energy consumption. On the other hand, POS-based cryptocurrencies rely on participants holding a certain amount of tokens as collateral to validate transactions and secure the network. STAX takes a different approach with its POX consensus algorithm. It leverages the security and established infrastructure of the Bitcoin network while simultaneously securing the STAX blockchain. This unique design creates a symbiotic relationship between STX and Bitcoin. Here's how it works. STX token holders can lock their tokens as collateral by participating in the stacking process. By doing so, they signal their commitment to the network and their role in supporting the security and decentralization of the STAX blockchain. This collateral is then used to secure the Bitcoin network by supporting Bitcoin miners. In return for their contribution, STX holders earn Bitcoin rewards. Essentially, STX holders become stakeholders in both the STAX and Bitcoin ecosystems, enjoying the benefits of both networks. This innovative approach aligns the interests of STX holders with the security and success of the STAX network, while also benefiting the overall security and decentralization of Bitcoin. The proof of transfer consensus algorithm brings several advantages to the STAX network. First, it reduces the energy consumption typically associated with POW-based cryptocurrencies, as STAX leverages the existing security of Bitcoin without the need for resource-intensive mining. This makes STAX more environmentally friendly and sustainable. POX enhances the overall security of the STAX network. By tying the security of the STAX blockchain to the established and robust Bitcoin network, it significantly reduces the risk of 51% attacks and other potential security vulnerabilities. POX improves the efficiency and scalability of the STAX network. Since STAX doesn't require miners to perform extensive computational work, the network can process transactions and execute smart contracts more quickly and with lower fees. The proof of transfer consensus algorithm is a win-win situation for STX holders and the STAX network. It allows token holders to participate in Bitcoin mining while securing the STAX blockchain, bringing additional security, efficiency, and sustainability to the network. As we explore further, we'll delve into the implications of this unique consensus mechanism on the value proposition and potential growth of STX coin. So, stay tuned for more exciting insights into the world of STX coin and the innovative Stacks network. STX coin performance. When considering any investment, it's crucial to analyze the historical performance of the asset and take into account market trends. Let's take a look at the performance of STX coin over time. Since its inception, STX has shown steady growth in its value. However, it's important to note that past performance is not indicative of future results. The cryptocurrency market is highly volatile and subject to various factors such as market sentiment, regulatory developments, technological advancements, and overall economic conditions. When evaluating the performance of STX coin, it's essential to conduct thorough research and analysis. Look into the project's fundamentals, including its technology, team, partnerships, and adoption potential. Understanding the use cases and demand for the coin is crucial in assessing its long-term viability. It's also advisable to consult with financial professionals, such as financial advisors or cryptocurrency experts, who can provide personalized guidance based on your investment goals, risk tolerance, and overall financial situation. They can help you make informed decisions and navigate the complexities of the cryptocurrency market. Remember that investing in cryptocurrencies, including STX coin, carries inherent risks. The market can experience significant price fluctuations, and investments can result in both gains and losses. Diversification and risk management strategies are essential components of a well-rounded investment approach. Additionally, staying updated with the latest news and developments in the Stacks ecosystem and the broader cryptocurrency industry is crucial. This information can help you make informed decisions and adapt your investment strategy accordingly. While STX coin has shown steady growth in the past, it's essential to conduct thorough research, consider market trends, and seek professional advice before making any investment decisions. The cryptocurrency market is highly volatile and carries inherent risks, so careful evaluation and due diligence are necessary. As we continue our exploration of STX coin and the Stacks network, we'll dive into more aspects of its potential, utility, and future prospects. So, stay tuned for more valuable insights into the world of STX coin and the exciting opportunities in the cryptocurrency space. Use cases of STX coin. The Stacks ecosystem offers developers a wide range of tools and capabilities to create decentralized applications, DApps, that have the potential to revolutionize various industries. The flexibility and security provided by Stacks, combined with its integration with the Bitcoin network, make it an attractive choice for developers seeking to leverage the power of Bitcoin in their applications. Let's explore some real-world use cases where STX coin and the Stacks network can make a significant impact. 1. Decentralized finance, DeFi. Stacks enables the creation of decentralized financial applications that operate on the Bitcoin network. This opens up opportunities for building decentralized exchanges, lending platforms, stablecoins, and other financial instruments that inherit the security and trust of Bitcoin. By leveraging Stacks' smart contract functionality, developers can create DeFi applications that provide transparency, security, and self-executing financial agreements. 2. Supply chain management. The transparency and immutability of blockchain technology, combined with Stacks' integration with Bitcoin, make it well suited for supply chain management applications. Companies can utilize STX coin and the Stacks network to create decentralized systems that track and verify the origin, authenticity, and movement of goods throughout the supply chain. This can help combat counterfeiting, ensure ethical sourcing, and enhance overall transparency in supply chain operations. 3. Social media platforms. Traditional social media platforms often face issues related to privacy, data ownership, and content censorship. With Stacks, developers can create decentralized social media platforms where users have greater control over their data and content. STX coin can be used as a means of incentivizing content creators, rewarding community participation, and facilitating peer-to-peer interactions. These platforms can provide a more democratic and user-centric approach to social media. 4. Identity management. Stacks can also be utilized for building secure and decentralized identity management solutions. By leveraging the Bitcoin network security and Stacks smart contract functionality, developers can create systems that allow users to have full control over their personal data, eliminating the need for centralized authorities. This can enhance privacy, reduce the risk of data breaches, and enable more efficient and secure identity verification processes. These are just a few examples of the diverse use cases that can be realized through the Stacks ecosystem and STX coin. By providing developers with the tools and infrastructure to build decentralized applications on top of the Bitcoin network, Stacks opens up a world of possibilities for innovation and disruption across various industries. As the Stacks ecosystem continues to evolve and grow, we can expect to see even more creative applications and use cases emerge. The secure and scalable nature of Stacks, combined with the potential of Bitcoin, positions STX coin as a valuable asset within this ecosystem. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video informative. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more trading videos and hit the bell icon to be notified when I upload new content.